Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we create group data set in the dashboard in AIV. So let's get started. Now group data set is used in a condition where the data coming from the data set is huge, and as the data coming from the data set is huge, a lot of time will be required to refresh that data. Now, before I start giving today's demo, I would like to mention that the dependency files of this functionality will be available in the comment section below this video. Now, let's start with today's demo. To create the group data set, we will go to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu, I'll click on master data, and in master data, I'll click on group data set. Now here in the group data set section, the data set I'll be selecting as order details. So I'll select the data set as order details.ds. Then I will click on next. The group column here I will select as order number. And here I will select the data set as order details stash.ds. And once I select this, you'll see the parameter for the above selected data set will appear like this. The name, the default value, I'll be putting 10100. Now this is the default value. The column to link, I'll select as order number. Now once I do this, I'll click on next. Now here you can set the frequency of the schedule of this particular data set. Like you can change the frequency to right here it is right now, you can change it to once recurring. You can schedule after every minute. You can also set the time for the scheduling as per your own suitability. Then I will click on next. Now coming to the output section, here the name I'll give is the stash order details. Now since this is the name which we had selected, which was order details stash, so we have given the name as stash order details, and rest of the settings I'll keep as default, and I'll click on run. So you'll see that once I clicked on run, the schedule successfully message appeared. Now to check the status of this request, I will again go to the hamburger menu. In the hamburger menu, I'll click on request section, and in the request section, I'll go to request option. And here you'll see the stash order details, the group report that we had run. So I'll double click on this, and you'll see this is the last one which we just now run. So I'll check this, and you'll see that the request for this is completed since the status is showing completed. Now once we see that the request has been completed, we will go again to the hamburger menu, and in the hamburger menu I'll go to master data, and in master data I'll go to data sets, and here I will search for the data set which we just now created, which we just now run, which is stash order details. So you can see here we have the stash order details. So I will double click this. So I'll just check the data set. So data set is order details stash, which I had selected earlier, and then I'll go to parameters. Now in the order number, it is string equals, and here I will put the number which is 10100, and then I'll go to preview, and we'll see that the output will look like this. This is the final output of the group data set that we just now created, and I will click on update. Updated successfully. So we have created the group data set successfully. So this is how we can create the group data set in the dashboard in AIV. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.